Welcome to a journey of healing and inner peace. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you may be holding. Allow your body to relax, sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. Imagine yourself in a peaceful garden, surrounded by beautiful, vibrant flowers and the soothing sounds of nature. As you explore this tranquil space, feel a sense of calmness wash over you. Visualize a gentle, warm light surrounding your body, encompassing you in its soothing energy. This light represents healing and love. While breathing deeply, let go of any negative thoughts or feelings. Release them with each exhale, allowing more space for positivity and healing. Now, envision a magical waterfall before you. Its crystalline waters cascading down in a mesmerizing display. Approach the waterfall and step into its refreshing embrace. Feel the water washing away any physical or emotional pain, leaving you revitalized and refreshed. Allow the waterfall's energy to flow through you, restoring balance and harmony. As you continue on your journey, see yourself surrounded by a cocoon of love and light. Visualize this healing energy seeping into every cell of your body, revitalizing and rejuvenating you from within. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter and more at peace. Embrace this feeling of serenity, knowing that you have the power to heal and find inner peace. Take a moment to express gratitude for this healing experience and for the love and light that surrounds you. Know that you can return to this place of inner peace anytime you need. Thank you for joining us on this journey to inner peace. We hope you found this guided healing meditation beneficial. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more relaxation and mindfulness content. Wishing you peace and well-being.